What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. Sue, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to Blackpink YouTube channel. According to 괘ᴏ괱ᴚ, Blackpink's YouTube have uploaded 338 video. They currently have 58 million subscribers. After reaching 50 million subscribers, they has been awarded with the custom-made play button by YouTube. Currently, they has a total view of 16,149,993,489. That is insane. They are from South Korea. And their channel type is music. They created their channel since June 29, 2016. The grade Blackpink got is A, and their 괘ᴏ괱ᴚ ranking is 67th. Subscriber ranking is 17th. Video view rank is 77th. They ranked first in Korea. And music rank is 6th. Next, the average on daily subs for Blackpink channel is around 36.6k. And daily view around 40,477,711. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views she got is 40,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Blackpink will be $162,000. Monthly income is $4,860,000. And yearly income will get $58,320,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $58,320,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $32,076,000. And that is how much Blackpink earn from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.